We use do with I, you, we, or they, and we use does with he, she, or it. Let's practice together with some questions. Number one, you like pizza? Since the subject is you, we should use do. So the full sentence is, do you like pizza? Is it right? Next up, she blank now play football. The subject is she, so we need does. That gives us she does not play football. Great job. Now, question 3. Blank, they go to school. The subject is they, so we use do. That makes do they go to school? Moving on, he blank not eat rice. The subject is he, which means we need does. So the sentence is, he does not eat rice. Perfect. Next one, blank, I need this book. The subject is I, so we choose do. The sentence is, do I need this book? You are doing awesome. And question 6, it blank now makes sense. The subject is it, so we use does. The correct sentence is, it does not make sense. Great job again. So quick recap. Do goes with I, you, we, or they. And does goes with he, she, or it. Now you try finishing the remaining 6 questions on your own, and don't forget to check the answers near the end of this video. By the way, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, and I work hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe, it really helps. I'll see you next time. Bye.